Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we are learning ayah number 158 of Surah Al-An'am and onwards. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم هل ينظرون إلا أن تأتيهم الملائكة أو يأتي ربك هل ها from last part of your throat for fatha open jaws attached lam will get sifa of tawassut هل يا yeah for fatha upon jaws and then there is ikhfa and this ikhfa is heavy. So for heavy ikhfa you are lifting your tongue up and you are hiding the sound of noon and you are making your mouth ready to say letter Allah. ينظر ظ ض and for dhamma circle lips and make it obu. It is heavy and it has itbaq. Ubu, ubu, uru. Ra is heavy for the circle lips. Make it 2 counts long. Na for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Il hamza is sharp for kasra give e sound attached with lam. Lam will get sip out the wasut. La 4 counts long. Mad munfasil jaiz. Hamza is sharp for fatha upon jaws and then this is ikhfa. This ikhfa is light. So keep your tongue straight. You are hiding the sound of noon. You are going towards makhraj of ta and you are keeping the sound in your nose. Ta. Ta is sharp for fatha upon jaws attached with hamza. Hamza will get sifa of shidda. So the sound will cut off abruptly. Ta. Ti for kasra give e sound. Yeah. Keep ya soft for top and jaws. Who for the circle ellipse the sound is short. Mul for the circle ellipse that with lam. Lam will get sifa of the wasut. Ma for top and jaws. La muttasil wajib make it 4 counts long. E for kasra give e sound. Kaf is light for top and jaws. The sound is short. 2 for the circle ellipse the sound is short. Ow. Hamza is sharp, but this wow is wow lean. So when you're attaching fatha with wow, you're making the sound soft. Ow. Yeah. Yeah, it's soft for fatha open jaws attached with hamza. Hamza will get sifa of shidda. The sound, the makhraj will cut off the sound abruptly. Yeah. T for kasra give e sound. Ta has shidda too. T. Yeah. For fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Rob, whenever rob is with fatha or dhamma, it is heavy. Attach with ba. Ba will cut off the sound abruptly because it has shidda, sifa of shidda. Rob, bu for dhamma circle ellipse, the sound is short. Kaf is light for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Aw, ya, tiya, ba. Ba is light for fatha upon jaws attached to the ain, and ain has tawassut. And ain is from the middle part of your throat. Ba, ba, lu. Dot is heavy for the circle lips. The sound is short. 2 counts long. Yeah, 2 counts long. T focus give e sound. Rabbik. And at the end on kaf you are giving hums. Whenever kaf is with sukoon, it has hums, and hums is flow of breath. Rabbik. Yow. Yeah, is soft, and wow, wow is wow lean. So when you're attaching fatha with wow, you're making it soft. Yow ma for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Yeah, yeah, is soft for fatha upon jaws attached with hamza. Hamza will get sifa of shidda. The sound will cut off abruptly. Yeah, t for kasra give e sound. Sorry, and it is 2 counts long. Yeah, t. Ta is sharp for kasra give e sound and attach with ya. Ti ba ba for fatha upon jaws attach with ain. Ain should be from the middle part of your throat and it has the wasut. Ba. Lu, Dot is heavy for Dhamma circle lips. The sound is short. Two counts long. Yeah, two counts long. T, focus ragib E sound. Rabbika, la, two counts long. Yeah. Fatha open jaws on ya, and as you will touch ikhfa, your lips should be in a straight position, your tongue should be in a straight position, and your teeth should be very close to your lower lip. So the your mouth will be ready to say fa, and you are keeping the sound in your nose because other name of ikhfa is ghunna. Ghunna is very important part of ikhfa. Yeah, fa. Give Hamsin fa for top on jaws. Ru. Ain for the circle. Ain from it should be from middle part of your throat, and for the circle lips. Naf for top on jaws. Then attach with fa. Fa will get sifa of rakhawa and hams. Nafsan. This is idhar and ruling idhar and sifa is tawassut in here. Sen, E. Hamza is sharp. For kasra, give E sound and make it two counts long because this is long vowel. E, ma, two counts long. Nu, for dhamma circle ellipse, the sound is short. Ha, two counts long. Lam, for fatha open jaws attached. Mimi will get sifa of tawassut and hukmuhu idhar. The sharp sound for fatha open jaws. Kun, for the circle ellipse attached with noon. As you will touch noon, your lips should be in a straight position. حكمه إظهار and sifa is tawassut. Two counts long. Ma, for fatha open jaws. The sound is short. Nat, for fatha open jaws attached with ta. Ta will get sifa of hums, and hums is flow of breath. How you create hums? When you are giving shidda on ta, because ta is among shidda letters. So when you are blocking the sound uh, you're giving shidda on ta, nat, and then release the makhraj little, nat, at the very point of ta where you are pronouncing, here you are going to put your tongue and then leave it little, so that will create that hums, that the flow of breath. Nat, this sound should be there. Amanat, meow, focus like e sound, and then this ikhfa is heavy because qaf is among heavy letters. You're lifting your tongue up. You are keeping the mouth ready to say qaf, and you're hiding the sound in your nose, and that will create ghunna. The very important part of ikhfa is ghunna. Meow. Qab. Qab. Qaf is heavy for fatah upon jaws attached ba. Keep ba light, and ba will get sifa of qalqala. Qab. Lu, for the circle ellipse, the sound is short. Ow. Hamza is sharp, but when you are attaching fatha with waw, you are making it soft because this is waw, lean. Ow. Ka. Ka. Kaf is light for fatha upon jaws. Sa, for fatha upon jaws. But, for fatha upon jaws attached with ta, ta will get sip of hams. Fi. Mad munfasil jazz, make it four counts long. E, two counts long. Ma, two counts long. Ni, focus give E sound. Ha, two counts long. Khoi, kho is heavy, and this is Jailin. So when you are attaching fatha with yeah, you're making it soft. Khoi, ra, mad awad is making it two counts long. Pull off is heavy for the circle ellipse. The sound is short. Focus give E sound and then uh, go towards ikhfa, and this ikhfa is light because ta is among light letter. Ta, very sharp sound for fatha open jaw. We, is heavy for kasra give E sound. Ru, make ra heavy whenever ra is with the or fatha, it is heavy. And you're making it 4 counts long because this is mad munfasil. Ja is in. Hamza is sharp. Focus give E sound attached with noon. Noon will get off. Gunna. This gunna is akmal. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Na, 2 counts long. For Dhamma circular lips, as you will touch ikhfa, your lips should be in a straight position, and this ikhfa is light because ta is among light letters. And to create a light ikhfa, you are keeping your tongue straight. The for fatha open jaws, the sound is sharp. We, the is heavy. The is among mutbaqa letters. So lift your tongue up and make it extra heavy. We, because of this work, you're giving temporary sukun here. This temporary sukun has turned this 2 counts long over into 4. This is madarid less sukun, and you're giving tawassut on nun too. هل ينظرون إلا أن تأتيهم الملائكة أو يأتي ربك أو يأتي ربك أو يأتي بعض آيات ربك يوم يأتي بعض آيات ربك لا ينفع نفسا إيمانها لا ينفع نفسا إيمانها لم تكن آمنت من قبل أو كسبت في إيمانها خيرا قل انتظروا إنا منتظرون قل انتظروا إنا منتظرون E, Hamza is sharp, focus give E sound, and then attach with Noon. Noon will get Sifa Kunna. This Kunna is Akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. In, and then Noon is attached with Lam. Nal, give the wasut. La, for Fatha open jaws, the sound is short. The, 2 counts long. Na, for Fatha open jaws. Fa, fa, give hums in Fa, for Fatha open jaws, attach with Ra. Ra will be heavy. Ra will get sif after wasut. Ra. Qu. Qaf is heavy for Dhamma circular lips. Make it 2 counts long. D. 2 counts long. Na. For fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Hum. For Dhamma circular lips, attach it meme. You will get sif after wasut. And hukmuhu idhar. Wa. Makhraj of waw circle in your lips for fatha open jaws. Ka. 2 counts long. And ka. Make kaf light. Nu. For Dhamma circular lips, make it 2 counts long. She. Focus give E sound, the sound is short. Yeah. Make it soft and make it short. Yeah. Al. This is idgham without gunna, so you're not keeping the sound in your nose at all. The sound of ain should be very clear. Al. And give the wasut on lam. Less. For fatha upon jaws as that with sin. Sin will get sifa of Rahawa, it has safir and it is light. Lasta for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Min for kasra give E sound attached with noon. Noon will get sip of tawassut and hukmuhu with ha. Hum for dhamma circle ellipse attached with mim. You will get sip of tawassut. Fi give hams in fa, make it 2 counts long. Shay. And this is when you are giving waqf, you're giving sukoon here. This sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. Now this is not mad awad, but this is mad lean because the letter coming before it is harf lean. So it is called mad lean now. And you're giving nabar over here too on Hamza. In Hamza is sharp, focus, give E sound attached with noon, we will get step of gunna. This gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Na for fatha, the sound is short. Mad munfasil jais, make it 4 counts long. Hamza is sharp for fatha upon jaws attached with me, we will get step of tawassut and hukmuhu idhar. Uru, Ra is heavy for Dhamma circle ellipse, the sound is short. Hum, for Dhamma circle ellipse attached with me, we will get sifa of tawassut and hukmuhu idhar. E, for kasra give E sound. Law, this lam is light, but lafz jalala will be heavy, and lafz jalala is, by default, it is long. Make it 2 counts long. Ilallahi, for kasra give E sound, the sound is short. Thum, for Dhamma circle ellipse attached with me, we will get sifa of gunna. This gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Ma, for fatha panjas, the sound is short. You, yeah, is light. For Dhamma circle ellipse, the sound is short. Nab, for fatha panjas attached with ba. Ba will get sifa of shitta. The sound will cut off abruptly. Nabi, focus give E sound attached with, focus give E sound and the sound is short. Nabi, u, for the circle ellipse, the sound is short. Ikhfa shafawi, you're keeping the sound in your nose for a longer time. And for dhamma on ha, you are circling your lips. As you will create ikhfa, you are keeping your lips straight. B, focus give E sound. Ma, 2 counts long. Ga, 2 counts long. Nu, for dhamma circle ellipse, make it 2 counts long. Yef, keep ya light. For fatha open jaws, attach it fa. Fa will get sifa of rukhawa and hams. Yef, ain from your throat. For fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Loon, because of this waqf, you are giving temporary sukoon here. This temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long goal into 4. This is madarat lis sukoon. إن الذين فرقوا دينهم وكانوا شيعا لست منهم في شيء إنما أمرهم إلى الله ثم ينبئهم بما كانوا يفعلون. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.